Today, I'm going to be talking about Spocket, a popular dropshipping platform. I've been using Spocket for a while now, and I've had some good experiences with it. But I've also had some bad experiences. So, in this video, I'm going to give you my honest review of Spocket and help you decide if it's the right platform for you. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from suppliers all over the world. You don't have to store any inventory or ship any products yourself. Spocket takes care of all of that for you. Pros of using Spocket. There are a number of pros to using Spocket. One of the biggest pros is that Spocket has a wide variety of products to choose from. You can find products in a variety of categories, including clothing, electronics, home goods, and more. Another pro of using Spocket is that Spocket offers competitive pricing. You can often find products on Spocket for lower prices than you would find on other platforms. Spocket also offers a number of features that can help you run your dropshipping business more efficiently. For example, Spocket offers a product research tool that allows you to find trending products. Spocket also offers a shipping calculator that allows you to estimate shipping costs for your products. Cons of using Spocket. There are also a number of cons to using Spocket. One of the biggest cons is that Spocket can be expensive. The monthly subscription fee for Spocket is $29.95. In addition, Spocket charges a transaction fee for each order that you place. Another con of using Spocket is that Spocket can be slow. It can take several days for your orders to ship from Spocket to your customers. This can be frustrating for your customers, and it can lead to negative reviews. Is Spocket right for you? Whether or not Spocket is right for you depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a platform with a wide variety of products and competitive pricing, then Spocket may be a good option for you. However, if you're on a tight budget or you need your orders to ship quickly, then Spocket may not be the right platform for you. Overall, I think Spocket is a good dropshipping platform. It has a lot to offer, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.